Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn Coding Skills. In today's video, we'll be going through how to check whether pip is installing packages into your Conda environment. In the case where you have a Conda environment in which you want to install something with pip, you need to make sure that pip is actually installing packages into the environment that you created rather than the global environment. So to begin, let's create a Conda environment. So I will call mine tutorial env. Proceed. Okay, let's activate. So to check which pip is being used, on Windows we type in where pip. And as we can see, it is not using a pip from inside the Conda environment that we just created. So to fix that, we will simply just install pip. So Conda install pip. And then press Y to proceed. Okay, so now that's all done. We can check where pip again. And now we actually have a pip that's inside tutorial env. So we can now use this knowing that it would install packages into our Conda environment. So obviously this would only be used when we're trying to install with pip into a Conda environment. If possible, we should rather try and install with Conda into a Conda environment because Conda and pip don't talk to each other. So this can create complications. I hope that this video was useful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.